back, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. And today I have a third unboxing for you all, as well as my first review here on this channel. And don't worry, I know there has been a lot of unboxing videos, but all of my other videos are currently, being worked on, so they'll be out soon. Now, AMO did include this huge sticker as well as actually a free gift. I'm not sure if they do this with all their orders, if it's something if you spend X amount you get a free gift or something along those lines, but I thought it was actually really nice that they did that. And also, in no way at all is this video actually sponsored by them. I just want to go ahead and share some of their products with you, as well as review this mini workbench organizer. So this is the mini workbench organizer from AMO. It sells for around $11 US. It comes to you in 6 individual pieces that you do have to assemble yourself, but it's actually a really easy installation. It's just like building a puzzle. Now, I haven't had any issues with mine to where I need to glue it to the base or glue any of the joints together, but I would assume if you do have that issue, just using some wood glue should work fine. So this organizer can hold up to 10 brushes and then 5 17 or 35 milliliter bottles or pots. If you are in the market for something like this, I would highly recommend this one or the larger one from AMO. Even if you don't use AMO products, your other paints like Tamiya, Vallejo, Mr. Color will fit in this thing just fine. So this has been my review of the mini workbench organizer from AMO. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and until next time, have a good one.